Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to share with you the Westerland rose that I bought from Lowe's. In this video, you see me buying the rose, planting it, and then showing you the result. So the color of it, look at the color, it's so beautiful. Look at that, and it has a strong fragrance on it. All right, so we're going to dig a hole in here. Let's see. That would be good enough. You remember those roses that I planted earlier this spring? They are doing great, and they have new growth. Look at that. Just want to show you the roses that I just planted. I think a month ago or a month and a half ago. This is the Westerland rose, and look, it is already loaded with buds. Look at that. I am so impressed with this variety of rose. It is so beautiful, and the fragrance, oh my goodness, if only you could smell it. This Westerland rose is planted a month and a half ago, and I'm so surprised that it gives me so much buds and so much flowers already. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Hope you like this video and see you on the next one. Bye!